Good afternoon, tutor. My name is Michael Estienne Hernandez Cruz, and activity is United 3, phase 4, and the tains latent. And activity is case the Facebook and problem is the migration of the company work phase and consequence the problem. One, the motivation, the work is for and company, and terribly handling in the manipulation and the information. Three is create the hope desertion. Four, increase in the shares for the opportunity. And cause or effect the problem is one, terrible managers and the leading. Two, increase in the scandal and the Michigan the information. Three, fair the high station. Four, intimidation the words and employees. In case, Facebook. Good afternoon.